How to add employment on your Quora account from the app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add employment to your Quora account easy and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and click on it again until it takes you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, and here is the add employment option. Click on it and now add the position, the, the company or the organization, the start year and the end year, and after you finish, click save here in the top corner. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.